Hi, don't close this video yet. Are you someone that likes using products in your hair or you like using gel consistently? Well, this video is for you. Don't close it. Make sure you watch to the end because you will need it, okay?
Fuck nigga chick, and I'm SINGLE again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time you are seeing me, hi, my name is Delphina and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be sharing something special with you guys. So lately I've used gel in my hair consistently and I think it's time for a detox, okay? So I'll be washing out the buildup in my hair and also treating my hair to some nourishment with aloe vera. So yeah, but before we jump right into it, if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join my community. I make videos concerning hair, I make videos about school, and I make lifestyle videos. So if this is something you're looking forward to, subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Yeah. So this is what we're working with today. You know, sometimes gel can really leave your hair feeling dry, like very dry, and if you make that mistake and use comb in it, you're going to shed a lot of hair, okay? This is all my mom's knowledge. So this is what we'll be using moccasins. I don't know if that's how it's pronounced, but we'll be using moccasins shampoo and body wash. If you watched my first hair video, you notice, I'll leave the link right here. You notice I mentioned that I don't really have a specific products that I use in my hair most of the times. I just use anything I get, provided it is shampoo. So this is what we'll be using for my hair wash, and I have this conditioner. I'm not doing any ad for Vena. We just put it in this. So yeah. So what we're going to do is I'll use just the shampoo for my hair just to wash out the buildup that looks crazy right now. So that's what we'll do. And then okay guys, so nobody wants to have residue of gel in their bathroom. So we'll be doing the hair washing at this side of the house, which is the best because I don't want to do any scrubbing. So let's get into the video. Okay, so you guys can see how crazy the buildup looks like in my hair right now. So we're just going to rinse it out with just plain water and go in with my Maxim shampoo. So hey, that's my cat. Say hi to Silva in the comment section. So yeah, we're just going to scrub till everything is out and rinse it with some cool water. Well, usually most people go in with warm water, but I like the cold water. I like everything cold. So yeah. Okay, so now that my hair is squeaky clean, we'll go in with my aloe vera juice. I extracted the juice out myself. If it's something you're looking forward to learn, I have a video on it. I'll leave the link up here. Just tap on it and find out how I did it. Or if you like, you can just go to a store and then just get like an already made aloe vera juice just to save you from stress. Okay, so once again, we are outside of the house because nobody wants to make a mess anywhere. So this is my hair now. I'm going to divide it into sections and apply the aloe vera to the hair. Okay, so now for the application of the aloe vera gel, I decided to go in with 4 sections to make it less time consuming. So what I did was apply the aloe vera gel or juice from the bottom of the hair, I mean like the ends of the hair, and work my way through up to the roots of the hair. So I'm doing exact same thing for all 4 sections. So you can see I have a lot of chunks in my hair. Well, that's because ECG decided to do their thing. When I say ECG, I mean the electricity company. They decided to turn off the lights, so I couldn't blend the aloe vera. So for the next step, I got this rubber bag and then decided to tie my hair just to allow the moisture to penetrate through my scalp. Okay, so we are done applying all of the aloe vera in my hair. For now, we are waiting for 20 minutes to reach so that we can wash the aloe vera off my hair, and you can already see it's not time at all. So while we wait for the 20 minutes, I'm going to munch off something because I'm hungry. Okay, I have this leftover bread my sister gave me. Excuse me, you're not doing aesthetics here. Okay, so do you know what's funny? I thought I set the time for 20 minutes. It turned out I set the time for 20 hours. Can you believe it? Well, I don't know what's going on. And at this point, my microphone wasn't recording. I think it was low. So yeah, this is what we have now. 20 minutes, it's almost up. For the next step, we'll just rinse out the chunks of aloe vera out of my hair. Okay, it's not really necessary for you to use shampoo again, but I want to use shampoo because I don't want to have the aloe vera in my hair. The protein and minerals, did I say protein? The minerals and vitamins in the aloe vera has already gotten into my hair, so I think it's right to wash it out and just be free. Okay, so I just go in with a little shampoo and then go in with my conditioner. Okay, so we are rinsing out the chunks of aloe vera from my hair. So you can see, just look at how curly my hair looks. Anyways, so that's the shampoo and we are just going, usually you're supposed to do 3 rounds of wash, but like my hair is already clean because I washed it before, so I'm just going in with 1 wash. So that's it, and I know 1 wash is not really going to get all the chunks out of my hair, but we'll just keep it in the hair because it's not like I'm going anywhere. So we are done washing, we are rinsing, and now we are going in with the conditioner. You know, most people wash their hair and don't put conditioner in their hair because they say it's natural hair. Please, even if it's natural hair, any kind of hair at all, please make sure you put conditioner in your hair after washing with shampoo because it retains moisture. Like, it gives your hair back the moisture that it lost from the shampoo. So let's rinse out the soap from the hair. And you can already tell my hair is looking neat, clean, and free. You can already see the difference. You know. So there you have it, guys. This is a very simple and effective hair nourishment you'd like to try. Like I said before, if you don't know where to get aloe vera, you can get them from stores, or you can just go to the mall and get some aloe vera, or maybe just go to someone's house and be like, hi, can I get aloe vera? So yeah, on that note, this brings us to the end of the video. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe don't forget to like, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section for me. If you don't have anything to even say in the comment section, just leave me a heart like I always say, because I want YouTube to be promoting my stuff. Okay, yeah, so on that note, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.